4 vitamin deficiencies in sciatica and carpal tunnel syndrome. If you're suffering from sciatic pain or that uncomfortable wrist ache, then watch this video until the end, because today I'll talk to you about the vitamins you should take to get relief from the pains associated with sciatica and carpal tunnel syndrome. Let's explore how these vitamins work and how you can incorporate them into your routine to find relief and get rid of these terrible pains. But what are sciatica and carpal tunnel syndrome? Before we delve into details about the vitamins, let's briefly understand what sciatica and carpal tunnel syndrome are. Sciatica is a very strong pain that occurs when the sciatic nerve is compressed or irritated, causing intense pain that radiates through the lower back, buttocks, and legs. Carpal tunnel syndrome, on the other hand, is characterized by the compression of the median nerve in the wrist, resulting in sharp pains, tingling, and weakness in the hand and fingers. Vitamin D, its role in nerve health. The first vitamin we'll discuss is vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. This vitamin plays a crucial role in nerve health. Studies have shown that vitamin D deficiency may be associated with a higher risk of developing conditions like sciatica and carpal tunnel syndrome. Moderate sun exposure and adequate supplementation can help maintain optimal levels of vitamin D. Vitamin D is primarily known for its role in bone health, aiding in calcium absorption and bone strengthening. However, recent research has highlighted its crucial role in nerve health, especially in regulating the peripheral nervous system. Neuroprotective function. Animal studies have shown that vitamin D may have neuroprotective properties, helping to protect nerves against damage and degeneration. This is particularly relevant in neurodegenerative conditions such as multiple sclerosis, where vitamin D may help reduce disease progression. Inflammation regulation. Vitamin D is also involved in regulating the body's inflammatory response. Chronic inflammation may play a significant role in the pathogenesis of various nerve conditions, including peripheral neuropathies. In simpler terms, this means that vitamin D can greatly help reduce the risk of nerve damage. Diseases caused by vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D deficiency has been associated with a higher risk of developing various diseases, including peripheral neuropathy, neuropathic pain, multiple sclerosis, and Parkinson's disease. With this, you've already realized how important it is to maintain adequate levels of vitamin D to prevent or reduce the risk of these diseases. Now let's talk about the B-complex vitamins. Vitamin B, allies against nerve pain. The B-complex vitamins play crucial roles in the healthy functioning of the nervous system and have been recognized as valuable allies in combating nerve pain. Let's explore in more detail how each of these vitamins, B1, B6, and B12, can help alleviate pain associated with sciatica and carpal tunnel syndrome. So let's see. Vitamin B1, thiamine, its crucial role in nerve health. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is one of the essential B-complex vitamins for the healthy functioning of the nervous system. Its importance lies primarily in its ability to act as a cofactor in various metabolic reactions that produce energy for nerve cells. I'll detail for you now the importance of vitamin B1 in your health, talking from the conduction of nerve impulses to the foods that contain the most vitamin B1. Energy production. Vitamin B1 actively participates in energy metabolism, meaning it plays an extremely important role in generating energy used by cells. In neurons, where the demand for energy is high due to constant activity, thiamine is essential to maintain adequate levels of energy for the nervous system. Protection against nerve damage. Lack of vitamin B1 can lead to nerve damage, resulting in a condition known as peripheral neuropathy. In this condition, peripheral nerves are affected, causing symptoms such as pain, tingling, muscle weakness, and loss of sensation. Thiamine plays an important role in protecting against these damages, providing energy to maintain the structural and functional integrity of nerves. Reduction of pain sensitivity. Studies suggest that the use of vitamin B1 can help reduce pain in people with peripheral neuropathy and other painful conditions of the nervous system. This can occur through normalization of nerve function and reduction of inflammation in nerves, providing significant relief for those suffering from nerve pain. How to obtain vitamin B1 in the diet. Vitamin B1 can be found in tablet form in a variety of foods, including whole grains, such as brown rice, oats, and quinoa. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and peas. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds. Lean meats, such as chicken, fish, and beef. Leafy green vegetables, such as spinach and kale. Now that you understand the importance of vitamin D and vitamin B1, let's talk about another essential vitamin for your health, which is vitamin B6. But first, if you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel to not miss any videos discussing your healthcare. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Let's move on. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine, its importance for the nervous system and pain relief. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, plays a variety of essential functions in the body, including regulating amino acid metabolism, neurotransmitter synthesis, and supporting the immune system. Neurotransmitter synthesis. Vitamin B6 is crucial for neurotransmitter synthesis, which are chemicals responsible for transmitting signals between neurons. This vitamin is involved in converting the amino acid tryptophan into serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays an extremely important role in regulating mood, sleep, and pain sensation. Modulation of neuropathic pain. Neuropathic pain is a debilitating condition caused by damage or dysfunction in the nervous system, resulting in sensations of burning, tingling, or electric shock. It's dreadful. It has been observed that most people who take vitamin B6 have experienced a reduction in the intensity of neuropathic pain in some conditions, including carpal tunnel syndrome, which is wrist pain, diabetic neuropathy, a diabetes complication that mainly affects legs and feet. In some people, the symptoms are mild, but in others, they can be very painful, even fatal. With the use of vitamin B6, there are cases where there is a significant decrease in pain intensity in those suffering from trigeminal neuralgia, which transmits sensations from the face to the brain. This is very common in women over 50. And the symptoms range from mild to intense facial pain, often triggered by chewing, speaking, or simply brushing teeth. Influence on mental health. In addition to its role in pain regulation, vitamin B6 is also associated with mental health. Vitamin B6 deficiency has been linked to symptoms of depression and anxiety, which in turn can influence pain perception. Look at how much we've seen about vitamin B6. It is very important for your body and can even rid you of many pains. Now let's talk about vitamin B12. And this is a very important vitamin. It's so important for your health that I made a video here on the channel just talking about the 12 diseases caused by the lack of vitamin B12. Don't forget to watch this video. I'll leave it at the end of this one for you to watch. Agreed? Vitamin B12, cobalamin. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a key role in various vital functions of the human body. It is essential for the health of the nervous system, formation of blood cells, energy metabolism, and maintenance of mental health. Let's look at some of its functions. Nervous system health. Vitamin B12 is vital for the health of the nervous system. It plays a crucial role in the formation of myelin sheath, a substance that surrounds and protects nerves, facilitating the rapid and efficient transmission of nerve impulses. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to nerve damage, resulting in symptoms such as numbness, tingling, muscle weakness, and balance problems. Blood cell formation. Vitamin B12 is required for DNA synthesis, which is the genetic material of cells. It plays an essential role in the maturation of red blood cells in the bone marrow. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can result in a condition called megaloblastic anemia, in which blood cells become large and immature, unable to efficiently transport oxygen throughout the body. Energy metabolism. Vitamin B12 is important for energy metabolism, helping the body convert carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into usable energy. It plays a very important role in the production of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is the main source of energy for cells. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can result in fatigue and weakness due to reduced cellular energy production. Mental health. A deficiency in vitamin B12 has been associated with symptoms of depression, mental confusion, dementia, and memory impairment. Vitamin B12 supplementation can help improve symptoms in some cases, especially in the elderly with a deficiency in this vitamin. Carpal tunnel syndrome. Vitamin B12 can also alleviate the symptoms of carpal tunnel syndrome. Just to remind you, carpal tunnel syndrome is that intense and uncomfortable pain in the wrist. Although research in this regard is still somewhat limited, it is already known that in some cases the use of vitamin B12 helps reduce inflammation and improve nerve function, thereby greatly alleviating this wrist pain. Food sources. Vitamin B12 is mainly found in animal products such as meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. Some seaweeds and fortified foods, such as breakfast cereals and plant-based milks, can also be sources of vitamin B12 for vegetarians and vegans. Anyway, it's always important that you consult your trusted doctor so that he can indicate appropriate supplementation for your case. Alright? That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, leave your like and subscribe to the channel to receive more videos talking about taking care of your health. Leave a comment down below also saying if you feel any of these pains and if you already use any of these vitamins I talked about in the video. Thanks for watching.